Yeah? Cam, what do you want?
Something that has eggs. Something that has eggs. Something that has birds. Something that you put a pasta ball on your face. Something that you pour wine on your head.
Yeah?
See?
What do you want?
Something with you pour a glass of wine on your head.
Something with eggs? Say it, Cam.
Something that has clock.